The Treblab E3 Headphones. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Treblab E3 Bluetooth headphones. These are over-the-ear headphones that feature active noise cancellation. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside you get the user guide, USB-C cable for charging, and a USB-C to 3.5mm audio cable. You also get a carrying case with a carabiner. The E3 features 50 hours of listening time with noise cancellation off and 27 hours with noise cancellation on. 5 minutes of charge will give you 10 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, 40mm drivers, and it has ANC SBC codec and CVC for noise reduction. Uses USB-C for charging, and it has active noise cancellation and an environmental mode. The headphones are light and in line with previous Treblab models that I've reviewed. On the lower band, you'll find the E3 branding, and inside the ear cups are the ear indicators. The ear cups do swivel in and out. The padding is very soft on the ear cups, and it has a large oval shape. The upper half of the headband has a good amount of padding as well, and you have the Treblab branding etched in on the top. Taking a look at the adjustments, you get good travel on each side. Each adjustment level clicks into place. The headband is flexible, and this should have no issues accommodating various head sizes. Looking at the left ear cup, on the outer face it has a logo which looks nice and sleek. You'll also find the following controls: the ANC LED and the ANC button control, along with the environmental mode. The right side has the same finish with the logo, and here you'll find additional controls. You have the volume up next track, phone play pause button, volume down previous track, microphone, USB-C charge port, power LED, and the power button. The controls are pretty straightforward. You just have to press or hold to get the desired functions. The headphones weigh in at approximately 284 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Treblab E3 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone does come in a bit low during calls, and the sound is a bit muffled. Pairing process was instant and I had no issues. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Treblab E3 headphones, and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The headphones were very comfortable. You get nice soft padding on the ear cups, and the headband has adequate padding as well. I had no issues wearing it for extended periods of time. It had a good fit and it doesn't feel like it squeezes your head. Build and quality is pretty good. It's in line with the previous models that I've reviewed. It's lightweight and does have a plastic feel to it. Button controls are easy to navigate and are responsive. The battery life is awesome, coming in at 50 hours with ANC off and about half that with it on. It also has a quick charge feature so you can get going again fairly quickly. The ANC feature, I found it to work fairly well. It blocked out a lot of the ambient noise, and it's easy to toggle on and off. The environmental mode also worked with no issues. When turned on, it picked up the surrounding noises. It's just a matter of pressing the ANC button to cycle through the features. Now let's talk about sound. These definitely fall more on the warm sound signature. You get some nice deep bass and it's very pronounced. Mids and highs do come in clear but a bit low. I wish it was a bit more forward and brighter. You may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Volume levels do get high as well. Having the ANC feature on does give it a bit of boost across the board. It seems everything is turned up a notch. Overall, these headphones perform and will definitely be good for those that seek out the bass. Battery life and overall comfort is excellent, and the ANC features is a plus. So that is my review of the Treblab E3 headphones. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.